On December 3rd, several Lenape District administrators took part in a team building workshop in partnership with Team Builders Plus, Wheels for the World, which tied into this year's district theme of Better Connections. Facilitators led several team building activities that earned participants bike parts to complete the mission, which was building a bicycle for a child. Administrators were able to use their creativity as well by designing a sign for each bike to help celebrate the event. At the conclusion of the workshop, 12 young students from a local school were given the bikes that had just been built.
Isn't that amazing what we just did?
Yes.
Could you imagine the looks on the kids' faces when they get to see these bikes? What if you didn't have to imagine? Come on in, folks! We've got presents for you! Come on in! Come on in, kids! We've got a bike for everybody!
Awesome.
Come on in! Find a bike, it's yours! Oh my gosh! Is this real? For real, you get to keep this bike forever!
Each student was also given a helmet and lock for their bike. All of the bikes and bike accessories were graciously donated by the Design Collaborative and Comegno Law Firm. This workshop was the perfect opportunity for the Lenape District leadership team to better connect with one another and with our local community.